Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to use Google Map inside Grigora. First, open the Grigora site editor. Click on Add Elements, then search for Google Map. Drag and drop the Google Map element into the editor. Once added, open its settings to see various customization options. Map mode offers two options, Place and View. By default, Place is selected. You can enter any place name here to set the map's location. For example, typing London will set the map to London, and typing Paris will set it to Paris. If you choose View mode, you can enter latitude and longitude coordinates to set a precise map location. You can adjust the zoom level of the map. Map type lets you choose between road map and satellite views. You can also change the language of the map interface. Alignment options allow you to align the map left, center, or right. For API key, Grigora uses its own API key managed by the admin regularly, so usually you don't need to add your own. If you want, you can enter your own API key in the provided field. In Style settings, you can customize the height and max width of the map block. Lastly, the advanced settings provide more detailed customization options for the map. Try these settings to embed and customize Google Maps on your website easily.